So you're looking at Port St. Lucie, you've decided you want to come visit, and you wonder what are the next steps. Stick around, you're not going to want to miss this video. My name is Megan Schoner. I'm a local real estate agent here in Port St. Lucie, Florida, and I love helping people like you guys every single day on YouTube find your treasure of a home. So whether or not you're looking in the next 9 days, 90 days, next year or two, please feel free to reach out to me. My email and cell phone are listed below. I would love to answer any questions that you have and help you find your treasure of a home here on the Treasure Coast. If you've been watching a lot of my videos, which I hope you guys have, and I hope you're doing a lot of research online, you've decided maybe Port St. Lucie is the area that you'd like to move to, relocate, retire, and you're wondering, okay, what are the next steps? How do I go about visiting? How much time do I need? I'm gonna go over all of that with you guys. So the first step is to reach out to me. My email and cell phone are listed below. Those are my personal numbers. I answer my phone. I'm happy to talk to you guys, honestly. Shoot me a text, whatever is easiest for you. So the first thing is we're gonna set up a phone call. So we'll either set up a phone call or we'll set up a Zoom, or if you are gonna be here in person, you're welcome to come to my office. And on that call, we're gonna go over what your time frame is, what your goals are, what you're looking for, what your budget is, if you're gonna be paying cash or if you're doing financing, do you need lender recommendations? Kind of just getting all that stuff, getting to know each other, finding out how you guys work, how I work. So we'll set up a quick phone call with that, maybe half hour, 45 minutes, just to kind of lay the groundwork. So after that, the next step is if you guys decide you want to move forward with me, I will go ahead and send you the buyer broker agreement. This is something that we can either sign in person when you guys are here, or I can just email it to you. This means that we're going to just exclusively work together. So, and it is only goes into effect for the areas that I'm showing you. So basically Martin and St. Lucie counties here. So let's say you've decided you want to be in another area of Florida, or you're checking out all different areas of Florida. The buyer broker agreement is only for this area here, and it says that we're going to exclusively work together. At this point too, all the sellers in our area are currently paying compensation, but before we put in an offer on any place, I will always double check to make sure they are paying compensation and what the compensation amount is so that we know how to write up the offer. But if for some reason the deal's not working out, just let me know. There's no cancellation fee on it. Just put it in writing saying, please cancel the buyer broker agreement. So that's the first step, just to kind of get that out in place so we can agree to work together. And then again, we're going to talk about what are the goals for your trip. So some people are just coming in for the very first time. They just want to see the area. They just want to see, do they like the Treasure Coast? Do they like this area of Port St. Lucie? What's around it? Where's the Target? Where are the grocery stores? That kind of stuff. And do they like the look and feel of the different communities? Maybe they're not ready to make a decision right away, and that's perfectly fine. But we just want to know that so that I'm structuring the tours and everything like that, and really maximizing your time and showing you guys what you want to see. Another question I get is how long should I plan on staying? How much time do we really need to see? So typically I tell people you're probably 3 days is a good amount of time. Depends how fast you guys work and how much you want to see. If you're just coming into the area, you just want to see some of the neighborhoods. Again, we have a lot of the gated communities here, which you can't really see on your own. But if you wanted to go in and see any of those or see any of the new construction, give yourself maybe, a day and a half, 2 days just to kind of look around the area. If you have decided Port St. Lucie is the area for you and you guys really are here to make a decision, 2 to 3 days. That way we can go and crunch out and see a lot of different homes in a short amount of time. I'll work as fast or as slow as you guys want. So some people like to only see 3 to 4 homes a day. Other people are fine seeing, 8, 10 houses because you're just in town for a short amount of time. So I'll work at your pace, but usually 3 days kind of gives you enough time to be able to see the area, look around, see some of the different homes in the community, and kind of give you a good feel for it. Okay, so in terms of the hotels, or where would you like to stay, right? So our office here is in St. Lucie West, so that is just off of Interstate 95. It's really easy to get to, just off of the St. Lucie West exit off of I-95. So that is in the 34986 zip code. That's St. Lucie West. So if you want to see any of the Mets spring training games and see the St. Lucie West area, lots of hotels, super easy to find something in that area. If you're looking more in the Tradition Riverland area, that zip code is going to be 34987. If you are looking at St. Lucie West, where my office is, again, we're not very far from Tradition, but that probably about 10 minutes or so. If you are looking for more of a hotel that's a little bit more of a resort style on the beach, I would always suggest the Hutchinson Shores Resort and Spa. It's beautiful, right on the ocean. That's puts you kind of in the Jensen Beach area, and just a beautiful resort. If you are 55 and older and you are looking at Riverland or looking at some of the 55 and older communities, I also recommend the Stay and Play. That is at Riverland. I can set that up for you. Just let me know, reach out to me, and I'm happy to set that up. That is a $90 $99 at Riverland. You get 2 nights, 3 days. You get to stay in one of the houses. You're able to use all the different amenities. You can talk to all the different residents. And it also, I think, includes some extra money to use towards one of the restaurants and stuff like that. So it's a really great option, and it really gives you a nice tour of the community. It's not like a timeshare type thing where it's going to take up a ton of time or anything like that. It really is, take the tour, which you would normally take anyway, which is about an hour and a half. So that's another really great option. I'm happy to set that up for you guys as well too. So once we meet, you guys will probably meet at my office. It usually is the easiest thing here. And then what we'll do is we will kind of go through the list. I'm going to set you guys up on a search ahead of time if you are looking to specifically, purchase, so you can kind of get an idea of what's available, what the prices are available, the different styles and communities. I always like to have you guys kind of check and pick out, homes that you like. So that way I get an idea of what you're looking for, and we're maximizing your time here. So if there's any homes in particular that you really want to see, just let me know. Super easy to work with. I want to make sure that you're seeing everything that you guys want to see while you're here. So we'll take a look. We'll go into the different communities. I always like to show you guys too all of the clubhouse, all the amenities, because when you are purchasing here, specifically if you're looking for a 55 and older community, the lifestyle is actually more important than the house. I know it sounds crazy, but we have so many wonderful 55 and older communities. They all have a different feel, and all the houses are beautiful. It's just a matter of which one feels the best for you. None of them are, I've had people in all of them, they're all very happy, but they have a different feel. So you're going to want to be able to see the clubhouse, see who's there, what types of activities they have, and really look at the community before you look at the house. We can look at the houses, but I guarantee you'll find beautiful houses in all the communities. It's really important to really nail down which community is the best fit for you, or the top two, and then we can kind of look at everything. We will go out. You guys are welcome to come in my car with me. You guys are welcome to follow me, and when we're out looking at the properties, we'll take a look all around. So let's say you guys are here, we've looked at properties, you decide there's one that you guys absolutely love. Then what is the next step? Super easy. We can write up the offer. We can do it electronically. We can do it here in the office, and it is a very easy and simple process here. There's no money that is due when you write up the offer. You have 3 days from your accepted offer to put down your earnest money deposit, which is between 1 and 10% of the contract price, and that is usually wired to the title company. So you can do that electronically, when you get home if you want. The other thing you guys have heard me talk about with our contracts is a little bit different, is you can cancel for any reason during the inspection period and get your deposit back. So let's say you see something online, you don't have a chance to get down here in time, you want to put an offer on it and then come down and visit and check out the house, you can absolutely do that. Don't like the house, super easy. We just do the cancel and release, and you get your deposit back. So it's kind of a weird thing about our contracts here, but for you guys as buyers, it's a great thing to have. If you are relocating to the area, you may not have lenders, you may not have inspectors and insurance people. I have great recommendations I'm happy to send to you guys too, so that you can compare cost to everything and choose the one that's best for you guys. I love helping you guys out with all that kind of stuff. So if you guys are thinking that you want to have a visit down here, check out the area, check out the different communities, please feel free to reach out to me. Like I tell you guys, this is my personal cell phone and email. I'm happy to answer any questions that you have, to set up the stay and play, to give you information about the area, set up the Zoom call, and get the process started. I'd love to help you find your treasure of a home here on the Treasure Coast.